children, how are you? All are safe? Yes. Now today shall we learn few birds, about some few birds? Yes. Third lesson, best bird. What is the lesson name? Best bird. Okay. First of all, what is this? What is this? Parrot? Is it a parrot? Penguin? No. Hen? Cock? Yes, it is an owl. What is this? Owl. Yes. Now, the owl is in the forest. It is going here and there. It is flying here and there. And it is dancing also. Now it is jumping and it is hopping. It is flying far away. One day, the owl is talking to us. What is the matter? Come on. Yes, I hop. I can hop. I can hop. I can dance. It is moving from one place to another place. Now next is owl saw a duck. Owl saw a duck. What is this? Duck. Oh, duck, what you are doing? I can fly. See how I am flying. But you cannot fly, no? Yes, duck said, yes, I cannot fly. But I can dive in the water. I can dive in the water. Hey, oh, I cannot dive. I can fly. I can jump here and there. I can sit top of the trees. But I cannot dive. Oh, you can dive. Yes, I can dive in the water. Yes, I can dive in the water. Hey, hey. Yes, duck went off. Next, owl saw a parrot. Owl saw a parrot. Yes. Hello, parrot. How are you? Yes, I'm good. Yeah. Hoo-hoo. I can hoot. Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. But I can talk. Oh, I can hoot. But you can talk? I don't know how you are talking. Yes, I can talk. Yeah, I can talk. Yes, parrot can talk. Yes. Next one, it fly another place. And it saw one more bird. One more bird. Oh. It is running very fast. Oh. Hey, who are you? I'm ostrich. I can run fast. I'm ostrich. I can run fast. Oh, I cannot run like you. You are also a special guy. Yes. First of all, I saw a duck. It dived in the water, but I cannot do. Yes, second, I saw a parrot. It can talk, but I cannot. But you are ostrich. You can run fast, no? But I cannot run like you. Oh. I'm going another place. So it is jumping and hopping and it is running. If it's going another place. And next one, next bird. What is the next bird? Yes, what is the next bird? What is the next bird, ma? Yes, penguin. What is this? Penguin. What is this? Penguin. So, penguin, what you will do? Oh, I can slide in the ice. I can slide from up to down. I can slide. Oh. I cannot slide like you. You are also a special bird. Yes, I saw duck, parrot, ostrich, and here you are penguin. So all the birds having a special things. That's why we are all the best birds. We are all Best bird. Yay, hey, hey, hey. We are all the best birds. What is the first one? Tell me, children. What is the first one? Yes, duck. Duck can dive. And next one, bird. Listen clearly. What is the next bird? I will ask you question. Next one, parrot. It can talk. What is the next one? Ostrich. It can run fast. Oh, these are all best birds. Yes, I am also a best bird. I can see a long way. I can see, I am sitting here and I can see long way. I can hide after the back of leaves. I can hide back of leaves. Hey, I can see in the night time clearly. This is my best quality. So, all the birds having special things. Yes. So, like that children, you also having a special thing. So, everybody are special. Everybody having a special. Okay. All the equal. Okay. Next and last one. Who came? Owl baby. Oh, owl baby, you are my best bird. I love you. You are my best bird. You are my best bird. Hey, 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 hey. Yes. Did you understand, children? Yes. Shall I show you in the color in your textbook? Yes. Here, see, I'm the best bird. Who is saying? Just now I said no. Who is saying here? Just now I say no. Yes, owl. Owl. See, I'm the best bird. What the owl is saying? I'm the best bird. Look at me. I'm the best bird. I can hop. I can dance. I can fly. Yes. Next one. Duck. Who is here? Duck. I can fly. Who is saying like that? Owl is saying like that. What duck is saying? I can dive in the water. I can dive. See how the duck is diving. But I can dive. But I can dive. I cannot fly. But my special is I can dive in the water. Yes. Next one. Parrot. Who came next bird? Parrot. So, what is the next bird? Parrot. What is it? Hey, I can hoot. Hoo, 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 hoo. I can hoot. Yes. Parrot said, I can talk properly. I can talk clearly. Oh my God. How nicely, how cute you are. How nicely you are talking. So nice. So sweet your voice. So, the owl said, I can hoot. But you can talk. Yes. Next children. I can see a long way. So, owl is saying, I can see a long way. Wherever something is there, I can see from here. I can see clearly. But we cannot know. Bird is saying, that owl is saying, I can see a long way. But next, ostrich came. Oh, I can run very fast. Very fast I can run. But you cannot. Yes. Owl said, yes, I cannot run like you. You are the best. You are the best bird, ostrich. Yes. Next one, penguin. I can hide among the leaves. I can hide among the leaves. On the top of the tree, I can sit. I can hide. Oh, yes, but I can slide. I can slide in the ice. Who said like that? Penguin. Who said like that? Penguin said, oh, you also a special one. You also a special bird. Yes, you can slide in the ice, but I cannot slide. Next one, who came? The baby owl. It is also a owl, no? Yes, it is a baby owl. Oh, you are my best something, but you are my best. You are my best bird. I love you, baby. He's saying, yes, everybody have something special. Everybody have a special something. Not only birds, we also. Everybody are something special to something. Okay? Yes, don't tease others. Hey, he doesn't know anything. He is not good. He is not writing homework. He is lazy. Don't tease like that. Don't say others. Okay? Don't hate others. You love others, and if you have any ideas or if you have anything, you just share it. Okay? If you have anything, ideas or you want to give any suggestions, you can give it. You share them. Okay? Be friendly, children. Don't hate anyone. Okay, children? Understand? Yes. Yes. Next, first page. See here, some birds were given. Some birds were given. Here, what is here? Parrot. Here, ostrich. Here, owl. Here, duck. Here, penguin. See what they gave? I can talk. Yes. Parrot can talk. Here, I can run fast. Who will run fast? Just now I said, yes, ostrich can run fast. Next, who is here? I can fly. Who are flying in this story? Yes, owl. I can dive in the water. We also can dive now while swimming. Yes, children. Yes, I can dive in the water. Who said like that? Duck said. Next, I can slide in the ice. Who said like that? Penguin. You have to match all the birds here, children. Okay? Next. Here. Next one. Just now I said no. Order. Birds order. What is the first one? Owl. First one. Owl is talking to other birds. What is the first one? Duck. What is the first one? Duck. See here, in the story also they gave, what is the first one, children? Duck. Owl is the first one. Duck is the second one. Don't forget order. Okay. Next one. Parrot. Parrot. First one owl. Here is the owl. What is the second one? Duck. Third one. Parrot. Next one, ostrich, big bird. Ostrich, fourth one, ostrich. Fifth one, penguin. Fifth one, penguin. Just don't forget. Okay. Now here you have to write order. The ostrich runs fast. Is it first one? No. The penguin slide on the ice. It is first one? No. The owl hoots. Is it first one? No. The duck dives. This one, second one, no? Yes. The owl flies. First one, it is flying, no? Owl is flying. It is first one, no? Yes, you have to write number 1 then. Yes, second one, who came? Yeah, the duck dives. Just now I said no? The duck dives. That is second one. Next, who came? Who said? The owl hoots. I can hoot. Ooh, 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 ooh. Like that. Where? Third one or second one? Third one. Yes. Next one. The parrot talks. With the parrot, it is talking. No owl. I can hoot. What parrot said? I can talk. I can talk. It said no. Like that. The parrot is the fourth one. Next, who came? Who will run fast? Which bird run fast? Yes, children. Ostrich. Next, sixth one. The penguin slides on the ice. Next, sixth one. The owl hides among the leaves and it saw a baby owl. That is the last one. Means seventh one. Okay. Write numbers here. Okay. After lesson, first Roman, you have to write a order. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now, write can and can't. Okay? Shall we start? Yes. The owl can fly. The owl can fly. The owl can fly. Who can fly? Animals can fly? No, only birds can fly. So here, the owl can fly. It can do it. That work. but we cannot do that work. The owl can't dive. It go under the water. It can dive like a duck. No, it cannot. So the owl can hoot. Parrot can hoot? No, it can talk properly. So the owl can hoot. It can do that work. The owl can see a long way, but we cannot see. But parrot cannot see. Next, duck cannot see. Ostrich cannot see that, but owl can see a long way. Yes. The owl can't run fast. It can run fast, owl? No, it cannot run. The owl can't slide in the ice. No, it cannot slide. Yes, children. Now, did you understand can and can't? Yes. Now, first one, we have to practice in this lesson new words. Shall we? Shall we? Yes. Let us learn new words, children. Which lesson? Best bird. Which lesson? Best bird. Third lesson. Yes. Hoot. What is the first one? Hoot. H-O-O-T. Hoot. H-O-O-T. Hoot. H-O-O-T. Hoot. Yes. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Come on, after me you have to practice. Then you will get missing letters or whatever spellings easily you can learn. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Slide. S-L-I-D-E. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. Once again. H-O-O-T. Hoot. H-O-O-T. Hoot. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. Next. Best. B-E-S-T. Best. B-E-S-T. Best. B-E-S-T. Best. Something. See, it is a very big spelling. When you will break, syllable break, then you will get easily. Something. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. Something. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. Something. Yes. Eyes. I-C-E. Eyes. Very easy, no? I-C-E. Eyes. I-C-E. Eyes. Dive. D-I-V-E. Dive. D-I-V-E. Dive. D-I-V-E. Dive. Next. Among. A-M-O-N-G. Among. A-M-O-N-G. Among. A-M-O-N-G. Among. A-M-O-N-G. Among. Now, shall I write parrot spelling? Again, once again, you have to practice. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Now, ostrich. Oh, yes. T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Oh, yes. T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Once again, I am repeating all the words. H-O-O-T. Or hoot. H-O-O-T. Hoot. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. B-E B-E-S-T, best. B-E-S-T, best. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something. S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something. I-C-E, eyes. D-I-V-E, dine. Next one. A-M-O-N-G, among. A-M-O-N-G, among. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Next one. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Yes, these all the words are there, children. These all the words you have to practice. Okay? Then you will get easily missing letters, and these are spellings also. When you will break the spelling, then you will get very big spelling also, you will get easily, children. Okay? Yes. Next one, back of the lesson. Back of the lesson, they gave here some parts of the birds. Some parts of the birds. Here see, some words they given: butterfly, elephant, bird, dog, fish, bear. So some parts of the birds they given here. Here some birds names they gave. We have to match it. We have to choose the correct word. Then we have to write here. What is the first one? Butterfly. Next one, elephant. Next one, bird. Next one, dog. Next one, fish. Next one, bear. See here, what is here? Feather. Yes, butterfly. You have to choose that butterfly and you have to write in the blank. Next one, hair full. Stop here. Very big. What is here? Bear. Yes. Here you have to write B-E-A-R. Bear. See here and write. Okay, what is the next small? Just cut off the part. Whose it is? Which one? Is it a dog? Is it an elephant? Yes, it is a fish. Next one, only legs they give. What is that? Which one? Bear over, no. Next, which one? Yes, dog. Here, elephant. Here, easily this one also you can find out. What is this? Last one. Bird. You have to write these all blanks, children. Okay? Done? Yes. Now, I will show you one worksheet. Here all some words I gave, no. Whenever you will practice these words, you can write missing letters, children. See here in the worksheet, I gave missing letters. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I gave. Easy. Okay. You have to write these all missing letters. Now choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Which bird can dive? Just now I said no. Remember, you recollect the story. Yes. Choose the correct answer. Which bird can dive? Here I give options also. Owl, parrot, duck. Owl, parrot, duck. Next one. Which bird can talk? Which bird can talk properly? Which bird? Penguin. Penguin can talk. Ostrich. Parrot. To recollect a story, then you will get answer. Which bird can talk? You have to put the tick. Okay. Which bird can run very fast? Which bird can run very fast? Owl. Owl can so fast. Owl can run fast. Ostrich. Parrot. Come on, remember. Yes. These all, choose the correct answers. You have to choose it and put the tick, whichever correct word. You choose the correct word, you choose the correct answer, then you put the tick, children. Yes, match the following. Just I gave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Here A, B, C, D, E I gave. You have to match it. Shall I learn? Shall I read the words? Yes. Owl, parrot, duck, ostrich, penguin. Owl, parrot, duck, ostrich, penguin. Next, run fast, hoot, talk, dive, slide. So, correct word you choose it for owl or parrot, duck, ostrich, penguin. You match it. Okay, children? Yes. Draw any bird and its baby also. You draw a parrot or any bird you can draw. Owl, ostrich, penguin, hen, chick, like that any bird you draw. But baby also I want. Okay, big bird and baby bird also. Okay, you draw and color it and send it to me. I will give star for you. Okay, done? Okay, children. Next class, shall we learn grammar part? Okay, bye children.